Hi there! Today I want to share with you a simple and tasty snack recipe. Fried mashed potato balls. With crispy and delicious bites, perfect for dinner or as a snack. So let's get started. We'll need about 1 pound of boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and let the mixture cool completely. You can also use leftover mashed potatoes for this recipe. Once the mashed potatoes have cooled, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, salt and pepper to taste, and add any spices you like. Mix everything well with a large spoon. The dough should look like this. Now, form the potato dough into 20 balls or shape them however you like. Next, heat some oil in a pan. I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use any oil you prefer. Carefully add the potato balls and fry until they're golden brown. Transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate or tray. And that's it! Our potato balls are ready to serve and enjoy. They're crispy on the outside and soft and delicious in the inside. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.